everyone, this is Fatma Abel, and today I will explain to you the components of the hair dryer, and I will be explaining the outer part and the inside part also. So let's get started with the outer part. So as you can see here, we have the cover, which is made of plastic, and the method that they use to produce the hair dryer cover is the injection mold method. So they take a plastic and they mold it by injecting the plastic inside the mold, and as a result this will be the shape that you can see it now here. I want to mention that there are two brackets in the hair dryer. One is in the back side and one is in the front side, as you can see here, and usually they are made of steel. And also I want to mention that the back one is attached to the mold, so it doesn't move or anything. However, for the front part, as you can see, it's removable, and due to force, it first start explaining the inner part components. So first of all, I will show you this sheet. It's called mica sheet, and basically the function of a mica sheet is to protect the hosting from getting too hot when the heater is turned on to use it. And basically it's secured with the plastic ring, as you can see here. And also as you can see, these are switches for the on and off, and also the temperature of the hair dryer, if you want to be low or high. And we have here cables that are connected to this part, as you can see. We have here the nichrome wire. They take the nichrome wire and they use it as a massive resistor, as you can see here, and they are made of the alloy of nickel and chromium, and when electricity is run through it, it will heat up in a way that that is very effective at getting hot when power runs through it. And it doesn't oxidize like other metals. They oxidize and get rusted. However, this material doesn't do that. It just heats up and cools down when you turn it off, and there is no oxidization in the process after a while of using the hair dryer. So it does work very well with the heating stuff. Here we have the brass contacts, and they are a little brass rivets, and they just distribute the power around the parts. So as you can see, there are many of them all around the part, and it just assists the heat to be everywhere. And also, as you can see here, we have the long strip, as you can see here. I don't know these one, the copper one and the gold one, and basically they are the biometallic strip, and it's made of two pieces of metal, and its function is that when the metal is heated to a certain point, it causes the biometallic strip to be banded. So that's it for this. We have here it's like a divider, and it helps to hold everything apart, which keeps everything working as far as the air, also the airflow and the stuff like that to go through. It does help to secure the mica sheet when it's inserted inside the mold. And that's it for the components of the hair dryers, and I hope you understand and enjoyed watching my explanation, and thank you so much.